Okay, so I ran out of film. I ran out of data or storage. Here, we have to go get her freaking computer and charge her phone. She was trying to do a face mask.
No, I wasn't. I was
yeah, you were.
Show Brianna. Okay, yes, I was gonna do one.
Yeah. Not the time, Taylor. What? I mean, yeah, that's true. I was trying to think Mario. What? Ow.
Connor, you have to let the door down.
No, I don't. You open the door. I can't open the freaking. I have a phone in one hand and a freaking BB gun in the other. What else am I supposed to do? Over there, they were jumping up and tapping that window. It's not that great. I think we're about to leave. Are we leaving soon?
Thank you.
I want to get the hell out of here.
Okay.
Alright, something now?
Bye.
What's going on? Hold on, let me check some more. Hold on. Stop playing that freaking music. Taylor, get in here.
No.
Why? Yeah, not die. Can't see in there. It's gone. I don't see anybody. I don't see anything. Let's go, Nico. Hurry up, let's go. You're freaking leaving? I think it stopped raining.
Freaking this for me, Jack.
It stopped raining.
Oh, you know what? I will go in there too.